Most food factories don't realize they have an HVAC problem until product quality starts slipping. Audits become stressful, and energy bills keep rising for no clear reason. One of the most common root causes behind all of this is an undersized HVAC system. And the dangerous part? On paper, everything often looks acceptable. Today, we're breaking down what really happens when HVAC capacity is underestimated in food factories. When an HVAC system is undersized, the first impact is temperature instability. The system simply doesn't have enough capacity to remove the heat generated by processing equipment, people, lighting, and ambient conditions. As a result, temperatures fluctuate throughout the day, especially during peak production hours. For food factories, even a small deviation can reduce shelf life, affect texture, or increase spoilage risk long before the product reaches storage or dispatch. The second major issue is humidity. An undersized HVAC system may cool the air slightly, but it fails to control moisture effectively. High humidity creates condensation on equipment, walls, and ceilings, which becomes a serious food safety concern. Moist environments encourage microbial growth, mold formation, and cross-contamination, exactly what auditors look for during inspections. Many factories keep fighting moisture symptoms without realizing the HVAC system was never designed to handle the latent load in the first place. Energy costs are another silent warning sign. When HVAC is undersized, it runs continuously at full load just trying to keep up. Compressors rarely cycle off, fans operate at maximum speed, and efficiency drops sharply. What looks like a smaller, cheaper system upfront actually becomes more expensive to operate over time due to higher electricity consumption and increased wear on components. Equipment life also suffers. Continuous operation causes compressors, motors, and controls to overheat and fail earlier than expected. Breakdowns become frequent, maintenance costs rise, and unplanned downtime starts affecting production schedules. In food factories where operations are time-sensitive, this can quickly turn into a financial and reputational risk. Perhaps the most overlooked impact is compliance and audit stress. An undersized HVAC system struggles to maintain consistent environmental conditions, making it harder to meet GMP, FSSAI, HACCP, or ISO requirements. Temperature logs show variation, humidity exceeds limits, and corrective actions become reactive instead of preventive. Over time, this creates a cycle of constant firefighting rather than stable, compliant operations. The key takeaway is this: undersized HVAC systems don't fail immediately, they fail slowly. They compromise food quality, increase energy waste, shorten equipment life, and raise compliance risks, all while appearing to run every day. Awareness is the first step. If your food factory constantly struggles with temperature swings, moisture issues, rising power bills, or repeated HVAC failures, the problem may not be maintenance or operation. It may be that the system was never sized correctly for the actual process load. If this video helped you understand a hidden risk in food factory HVAC design, follow the channel for more practical insights on food safety, ventilation, and industrial HVAC planning. Drop your questions in the comments. And stay tuned, we'll keep breaking down the problems most factories don't realize they have.